Hi friends, today I am with the Tecno Pop 8. The Tecno's Pop series is basically for the budget range. It has too many things to offer. We will also discuss the price. So if you see the highlight points, it comes with the stereo dual speaker which is by DTS, and it has a 90 Hz refresh rate, comes with the 5000 mAh battery, and it comes with the octa core processor with Type-C charging port. It is rarely seen in under 10,000 budget smartphone. Now, if we talk about the colors, it will be coming in three colors, which is a black, white, and gold color. What we got is the mystery white color, and it looks purely elegant and classy from the back. It has a dual camera setup, and in a meanwhile, I will just boot up the smartphone so that once it boots, I can show you rest of the things. Now, if we talk about few more things, what is inside the box, you can see the user guide and the 12-year warranty card. You also get a back silicone back case, and there is a 10-watt charger. It comes with the Type-C charging support, and there is a SIM card ejector tool. So this is what you are getting inside the box. This is a 10-watt charger. Now if you see the back side, it comes with the very premium finish and it looks very classy. It has a dual camera setup. It is written also dual AI camera and Tecno branding at the back. It has a dual flash also set up in the triangular side. Now if you see more things, it comes, the power button is the anti-oil side fingerprint, which is also power button. The volume rocker keys are there. It comes with the dual speakers DTS, which is in the top and the bottom. If you see the port, it comes with the triple port, which means that you have two nano 4G ports and one expandable port. You can expand up to 1 TB of storage in this smartphone. In the bottom you have a Type-C port for charging. There is a 3.5 mm jack and also speakers. The speaker is definitely very loud. It comes with the 12 megapixel rear camera setup and 8 megapixel front camera setup. It has the dark mode, which I have already enabled in the smartphone. It comes with a 6.56-inch SD plus display, which is IPS display. It has a refresh rate where you are getting a 90 Hz or 60 Hz optional, or you can also have the auto switch refresh rate, which is a great thing. It has a splash resistant of IPX2 rating. It comes with the IPS display panel. You can even remove the three navigation buttons, which I definitely like. So if you want to check that out, you have to go to the display, go to the bottom side. In that, system navigation is there, and you can get back again the navigation buttons if you want, and you can also use the gesture buttons. It comes with the octa-core Unisoc T606 processor. The lock screen in this device can also show you few more things. So some of the details like the status bar, internet speed, battery percentage, or notification icon, you can definitely pause from there. And this is a 4G smartphone, so don't get confused. It comes with the 4G support of dual, both the dual SIMs will support 4G, not 5G. And it is a budget segment smartphone. Even in personalization, you can have the theme, you can have dynamic wallpapers, and it has lot of wallpaper and customization. Even you can have different kinds of theme. I would definitely love you guys to explore, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section below. One more highlight feature of the smartphone is definitely the sound. It gives you one of the best audio quality, and if you go to the DTS sound, it has few modes including smart music, video, game, and also there is the equalizer which you can play with around. So I will definitely love you guys because it is a very loud output, and those who love media consumption in the smartphone with the loudspeaker on, they would definitely love this smartphone. This is definitely a charm for them. And even few more things which we are getting in this smartphone is the locking system. First you can have the pattern one. After pattern, I'm just showing you how to put the pattern. Once the pattern is done, it will take few minutes to register your finger. You can register multiple fingers, and the fingerprint sensor is on the right side of the smartphone. It has also the power button at the same time. So let's register the fingerprint sensor. It is very easy to do that. Once I have drawn the pattern, add fingerprint, it will show you how to do that. Once it is done, you just have to start tapping it multiple times. Be little patient. Once your fingerprint is been recognized, it can easily unlock. See, now I am just registering another fingerprint using another finger, and this will be helpful if your one hand is engaged somewhere else. You can unlock your smartphone with other finger. So, and this is an anti-oil side fingerprint, so don't worry about that if you have any oil or grease on your finger. Now I will also register the face unlock, which is also very easy. You have to go add face and you have to wait for 5 seconds. Once it is done, it will ask you to rotate your face. Once you have done the rotation, then your face unlock is also ready. Once you do the face unlock, you can see on the top there is dynamic port is coming. It will show you the dynamic port while unlocking the smartphone only while using the face. What is dynamic port? It is a software feature which I am showing you a little later, few seconds later. It comes with the 64 GB of internal storage. It can be expandable up to 1 TB using the memory card. And also in the smartphone you get an extended RAM. I will show you that also. There is a cleaner, so you can clean if you have something in unnecessary unwanted apps are there. Now if we go to the battery lab, it comes with the 5000 mAh battery, which is very huge, and the company is claiming that it can run over a month on the standby mode. Now let's talk about the dynamic port. Dynamic port comes with a few things. It will show on the face unlock, background call, maybe on charging animation, and also charge completion reminder, low battery reminder. Now I will just show you charging. Here you can see on the top there is charging animation also, and even while charging you can see the dynamic port. The best part is that there is a LED light also glowing on the top while you are charging. It acts as a front flash too while using. So right now see, I'm just charging, it will show the charging percentage, and there will be a pop-up which is a dynamic port. So this is the software feature which is coming inside the smartphone. Now I will show you one more thing, which is the memory fusion. The memory fusion is something where you can expand the memory. Currently the virtual RAM is 1 GB. You can change it into 2 GB or 4 GB, but once you do that you have to restart your smartphone, and this will basically make your phone little faster. I will definitely recommend you to go for the 4 GB extended memory, not for 1 GB or 2 GB. So go for 4 GB, do the restart once and you are good to go. Now if you go to the accessibility menu, there are a few more things, and definitely I am not jumping into this. If you guys have any question regarding this, you can drop into the comment section. I will definitely love to answer you guys in this one. And now coming to the system, it is running on iOS 13.0, which is based on Android Go edition. So this is about the OS. It comes with few of the bloatwares which is preloaded inside the smartphone. You can always go and disable those bloatwares if you don't want, but they are very limited kind of bloatware which you will see inside the smartphone. Overall, it is still manageable and it is running on Android Go edition. If you go to the camera, the rear camera comes with the 12 megapixel dual AI camera. In the front, we are getting a 8 megapixel AI camera. This is how you can change the resolution, which is the 4:3, 1:1, and also full ratio. Now there is a SDR mode on off. There is also dual flash present in the back, which you can switch it on and off, and there is also filters. So these are the multiple filters which are coming in the modes. If you go, you can check that there is short video, AI camera, beauty mode, portrait mode, super night mode, and also there is panorama mode, documents, AR shots, and few more modes. It goes up to 1x and 2x, which is the digital zoom. So these are different modes which are present for the rear camera. And if you go to the video recording, it can shoot 1080p and 720p in 30 fps. If you go to the front camera, it can also shoot 1080p and 720p in 30 fps. So these are some of the settings. It includes the shutter sound, which you can switch it off, grade, location, set volume button as shutter, or you can also change into zoom in, zoom out. You can have the watermark for time watermark, city watermark, brand watermark, text watermark if you have a specific text, and watermark order also. So, and even there is a timer which you can switch it on and off. There is also shooting modes and also auto arrange mode. So these are the few things which are given in the settings. Now let's check out the sample images taken by this smartphone front and rear camera. Now this is taken by the AI cam, from the rear side. This is also AI cam from the rear side. This one is using the portrait mode. This is 1x, this is 2x. This is how it looks. This is a normal front camera. This is a portrait one using the front camera, and this is also the AI cam. Now, playing games, I would definitely not recommend you guys to play heavy games, but a normal game like Subway Surfer you can definitely play out. You can check out the game for a few minutes, which I have played in this smartphone. The audio quality is definitely exceptional. So let's check it out the game. The Tecno Pop 8 will be coming for 6,499 with 500 bucks of introductory offer on all the cards, and also this will be exclusive on Amazon. The highlight feature is the stereo dual speakers, Type-C port, 90Hz display, 5000 mAh battery, octa-core processor, 4GB plus 4GB of extended memory. This is all about Tecno Pop 8. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.